Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you front view movement figure mail. So for that you required one cartridge or ivory sheet, one grading scale, your clutch pencil and eraser, right? So let's start front view movement figure mail. So first you have to take one line of 13 inches and one block, right? One line of 13 inches and one block. And as we know that 1 inch is having 8 blocks and one head is having 10 blocks. So vertically we have to go for head wise. So one head equals to 1.25 inches. That means 10 blocks. And we have to cut 10 blocks as each part till 10.5 heads. So 1 inch in 2 blocks means 10 blocks. So 0, 1, then another 10 blocks, 2, then 3, another 10 blocks, 4, another 10 blocks, 5, another 10 blocks, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and at last 10.5. So these are 10 plus half a head. It means 10.5 heads. So 10.5 heads equals to 13 inches plus one block, right? And after making the regular heads, we have to convert into sub levels. So 1 and 2 you have to convert into half. That will be 5 blocks from 1. So that will be 1.5. 2.25. So that will be 2.5 blocks. So that is 2.25. Then 3.5. Again half blocks, 5 blocks. Then 4.5. Then again 5 blocks. Then 4 3/4. So 2.5 blocks. 4 3/4. And then 1 we have to take 9 3/4. So 9 3/4 means you can take from 10 2.5 blocks, that is also 9 3/4. Or from 9 you can take 7.5 blocks, right? So as we all know that 10 blocks, half of it will be 5 blocks and half of it will be 2.5 blocks, right? So this is the head system what we have to follow, that one head equals to 1.25 inches, that means 10 blocks. 1.5 heads, 10.5 heads, that is equals to 13 inches and 1 block. And segregation of one head, 10 blocks convert into half 5 blocks, and 5 blocks convert into half 2.5 half blocks, right? Okay, then after taking a line, you have to convert this into a stick movement figure. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to shift the center front. So 1.5 level to 4 3/4 level, you have to shift the center front of the body, and both the side of the center front you have to take equal measurement. So and the regular levels which you are using, you have to convert those regular levels from balance line to center front. You have to shift. So you will be using 4 3/4, you will be using 4.5, you will be using 3.5, you will be using 2.25. So basically the levels which you are not using, as 3 we are not using, 4 we are not using, so those levels we will not shift. And now the measurement part. Shoulder level is 1.5 level, and shoulder measurement is 2.5 inches. 2.25 inches will be the chest level, and 2 inches will be the chest measurement. 3.5 will be the waist level, and 1 3/4 will be the chest measurement, and 4.5 will be hip level, and 2 inches will be the hip measurement, and all these measurements will be horizontal. And where you have to take all these measurements, these are the levels. So 1.5 level, this 1.5 level is for shoulder, 2.25, 2.25, 3.5 waist, 3.5 waist, 4.5 hip, 4.5 hip. So all these levels will be the levels where you will be taking all these measurements, right? So let's start from waist. Waist is 3.5 level, and the waist measurement is 1 3/4. So 1 3/4 means 7 blocks this side and 7 blocks this side. Now 4.5 is hip level, and that is 2 inches this side, total 2, so 1 inch each side. So from center front we are dividing the measurement. Now we are taking shoulder measurement. So shoulder measurement is level is 1.5, and measurement is 2.5. So 1.25 each side measurement will be marked. 1.25, right? And similarly, chest level will be 2.25 chest level, and measurement will be 2 inches. So this is the way you have to take these 4 lines, right? Shoulder line, chest line, waistline, hip line, and the center will be center front line where I have made this cross, right? Okay, then we have to go for leg. So the ankle level will be this 9 3/4. So from 9 3/4 we have to have the similar gap what we have taken from the crotch. Crotch pay we have taken 2 to 3 blocks gap. Similarly on ankle we have to take the same gap, and then a little different angle, and we have to go for 1 inch as foot. So one ankle is on 9 3 by 4. Now this we have to convert into half. So this is approx 6 inches and 6 blocks. So the half of it will be 3 inches and 3 blocks. So that becomes the knee. Now another ankle we have to go for 10th level with a certain gap. Now this gap should be approximate, you have to take 2 to 3 inches gap, because for body we can take a measurement, but for gapping we can't take a measurement because gap is not fixed, body part is fixed, right? So this is the another leg, and you have to go for 1 inch, and this leg also you have to convert into half. So this will be approx 7. So 3.5 will be the mid for this line, and this will be the knee level. Now you have to make the arm. So first we learn the measurement for the arm. The arm measurement is first of all the level 1.5 level, same the shoulder level, but now not from here, the corner of the shoulder line is on 1.5 level, the corner of the shoulder will be utilized to start the arm. So 1.5 level is for our arm. 4 inches plus 1 inch. So arm and palm. 4 inches arm plus 1 inch palm. So here we are taking the arm 1, 2, 3, 4, and mid will be 2, and arm after arm the palm will be 1 inch, right? Okay, and the other arm we can make it straight, or we can make it a little bend, right? So we can start the palm. Let's make it a little bend palm, bend arm. So 1 and 2, 2 inches here and 2 inches the other way. And remember one very important thing, as you have to have at least 2 blocks gap where you finish the wrist. So 1 inch and 2 inches. So when you do this shaping, at least 2 blocks gap will be there for wrist and the body. And here you can just make 5 blocks. And 3 blocks. Okay, so I'll just erase this part now, because this was just to make you understand. So I'll just redraw the palm. Yeah, so this is how we have to do the stick movement figure that is male front view with the measurement part that we have to complete, and we need to know all the measurements, and we need to understand this way. So this is front view movement figure male. Both the side from center front you will be having equal measurements. These are the complete measurements, you have to convert into half.